First off, a big thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Secondly, it takes 2 seconds. Click that subscribe button. It really helps support my channel and lets me know who's watching. All right, here's today's video.
Welcome to Brett's RV and Marine. My name's Dewey. Today we want to give you a quick look at the 2022 Interstate 24 GT from Airstream. The Airstream 24 GT is equipped with the all-new Mercedes-Benz 3500 chassis with everything you would expect in the drive and comfort from Mercedes-Benz. This 2022 Airstream Interstate GT is upgraded with Alcoa aluminum wheels. It's also the 4-wheel drive model. With the automatic opening door and electronic step, your spider controls are easily accessible inside the coach for all of your internal lights, window shades, and thermostat control. Your exterior door is also equipped with a slide to let the atmosphere in and keep the bugs out. Conveniently located behind the cockpit, you'll find all the central controls for the coach, a second spider panel, the 12-volt tank pad heaters for your water system, your Victron solar controller, and the power management system. The spider controls are also where you deploy the fully powered awning, as well as the rear screen for the back of the coach. And the LED lights provide outside illumination when you're setting around the campsite. It's also equipped with the optional auto level system to make campsite setup super convenient. Along with the new smart plug shore power, you're also equipped with a 2500 watt propane generator and 400 watts of rooftop solar, 100 for the chassis, 300 for the house. In the Class B segment, Airstream is known for their immense amount of storage. The convenient kitchen center, you have a 2-burner stove, a single stainless sink, and residential style Moen appliances. With a separate refrigerator and freezer compartment, you've got plenty of space for keeping all your food the way you need it. Located directly above the sink in the kitchen area, you'll find the power controls to convert the entire rear of the coach into a giant bed. With 5 seat belts located in the rear of the coach, this unit can carry up to 7 passengers. Conveniently located in the bedroom area, one of 2 flat panel smart TVs and a 3rd spider control for closing all the shades when it's time to go to bed. When the bed is completely down, you've got convenient nightstand cupboards with USB ports, and when it's up, you've got additional hanging clothes storage in the rear of the coach. Along with all that added storage in this 24-foot platform, you've got tremendous space behind the rear seat for your luggage, your golf clubs, anything else you need to carry with you. The front and the rear of the coach are equipped with parking sensors, and conveniently tucked away behind this panel, you'll find a 5,000-pound hitch. You could tow your boat to the lake. You could also hook up a bike rack for taking all the fun along. So don't forget about the rear view camera and side view cameras that gives you all the safety when you're traveling down the road. This is Dewey with Brett's RV in Missoula. I want to say thanks for taking a look at the 2022 Airstream 24 GT Interstate. Also, don't forget to check us out at brettsrv.com, and thanks for watching today.
Well, that's my video for today. Again, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It means the world to me. It takes 2 seconds, but it really helps support my channel and lets me know who's watching. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.